Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, we will show you how to disable antivirus on Windows 10 quickly and safely. Step 1. Open the search menu by clicking on the Windows icon or pressing the Windows key, then type Windows Security in the search bar. Select the best match to open the Windows Security app, which is your main hub for managing security and protection settings on your PC. Step 2. Inside Windows Security, click on Virus and Threat Protection. This section is where Windows monitors for viruses, malware, and other threats to keep your computer safe. Step 3. Under Virus and Threat Protection settings, select Manage Settings. This will allow you to adjust how your antivirus and security features operate. Step 4. Scroll down to Tamper Protection and toggle it off. Tamper Protection prevents unauthorized changes to important security settings, so turning it off temporarily is necessary to disable the antivirus. Step 5. If prompted by User Account Control, select Yes. This step ensures that Windows allows the change, confirming you have permission to adjust these security settings. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.